National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for east central Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, northwestern Pottawatomie County and central Oklahoma, until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:32 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Etowah, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southeastern Norman, Shawnee, Tecumseh, Tribby, Etowah, Brookville, Macomb, Bethel Acres, and Harjo. This includes Interstate 40 near mile marker 188. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.